it's Alfie from last weekend. We're just about to go home. I'll just tell you what I did. It's a great place for us to stay, and I did 2 activities. The first activity what I did was kayaking. I fallen out of a canoe and I was soaking wet. And I did the second one is wood carving. I did it with my granddad. He's behind the camera. This is what I carved. That's my name, Alfie. That's Grandma's picture. He did terrible on it. It's supposed to be a star. And there's my creeper. And I went to RAF Cost Museum. I got a lot of souvenirs. Yeah. And we got to see a lot of planes. And then saw people dressed up, walking, yeah. I went to Bridge North, the cliffhanger, yeah, and when there was a cafe right next to it, and I had a hot chocolate. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.